I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle.
Hello, teacher. Nice to see you again. This is my table of content. This is part 1. I am Jia Mingjing from Qichar City, Heilongjiang Province, China. In this competition, my category is I1U12. After my own efforts, I am honored to be a candidate, and I would like to thank the organizing committee. I'd like to share with you my experience in CoSpace learning. First of all, we need to have a good attitude to face the learning rebel or the setbacks encountered in the competition, and then to seriously and hard to complete the competition. Whether in the learning rebel or in the competition, I usually observe the map before programming, then analyze the map, and then programming because it makes programming more efficient. That's all for my own experience in the field of CoSpace Robotics. And this is part 2. CoSpace robot brought me a lot of knowledge. Let me know what makes the robot move. Let me understand the grain sensor, color sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and motor. CoSpace robot bring me not only an understanding of sensors, but also a brain interested in artificial intelligence. I think the popularization of AI in every country is a big trend. I have gained a lot of experience in the field of robotics and in robot competition through iCooL challenge. I am also very grateful to iCooL challenge for giving me this interview opportunity. After watching some videos released by the organizing committee, I think the little boy from China in CN2015 is very good. He looks very young, but he still accidentally completed the all-English video recording and explained his strategy in the game to us in detail in the video. I think his spirit is worth learning. It can be seen that the little boy is not very old, but he can finish the text excellently, which is very admirable. His learning spirit is also worth learning. In China, our internet technology is very perfect. We use the TikTok, WeChat, QQ, and other intimate social app to share with people and about TikTok about their experience of understanding and views in AI. In this competition, my category is I1U12. This is part 3. In strategy, I use this program most used in the most important knowledge in I1U12. It's the state variable. Because of the different posture of the CoSpace robot in each section of the map, I use the variable to control the speed of the car, so that the robot can accelerate in the gentle road, slow down in the bumpy road, and use it in the place where there are more bend speed up. Let the car smoothly cross the curved area. In addition to using state variables, I also use grain sensor, color sensor, ultrasonic sensors, and other sensors. Let the car reach the white zone to patrol the white line zone, or the zone that the grain sensor cannot recognize, and look for the obstacles and color blocks provided in the map. It is the robot that can accomplish the task excellently. Its state variable. There are some problems because the map is a 3D, dimensional map, and it really restores the real terrain in map left. So some places are very bumpy. In addition, once the wheel speed is not matched properly, it's several curves. The car will fall off the road, so it fails. There are some more details that I'll talk about in a video later. Constantly testing, trying, debugging, we must have the spirit of perseverance to face the difficulties. For me, the innovative way is that in this competition, I did not patrol the line, but used the posture board in map to save time. We have a video on next page. Okay, the video is over. Here is our competitions map. There are 6 blocks in the map. Yes, we have 6 orange blocks. We can see that there are 6 orange patches in the map, and we need to go through them all. After I analyze the shortest path, I will program. Okay, and I have experience here. You can see it. Here, because the curve is far away from the straight line, so I added a strand mate to make the car turn right to adjust its posture. According to my robot, I explained some difficult places in the map for you in the competition, and I have failed in these places. These are my own views on maps. This is part 4. In my opinion, it is not only important to take part in the competition, the most important thing is to learn from the competition. So as to achieve success, good times also brought me a lot of knowledge. Let me know what is a green sensor, what is color sensor, what can they do. I think learning robots can not only bring me knowledge about artificial intelligence, but also help me to go to college or get a job in the future. Finally, I hope CoSpace Robot can make progress and grow together with all our competitors and teachers. Thank you for listening. We can see you next time.